So the last piece of the puzzle is to make sure that we can communicate with the performers in the live room and send signals through to them to play along with, for example, a metronome or something like that. And to do that, we're going to use the auxiliary sends here. So there's 4 auxiliary sends. We're just going to use aux 1. Every channel has an aux 1 volume control, and this just lets me set up another mix, a bit like on my faders, and this will send the signal through to the auxiliary master. This is just like my master faders for my fader mix. This time we're on pots, so I've got my pots here that I can balance each signal, and then this is the overall volume. So if I get the signal playing in Logic, I'm just going to kill that so that we can hear what's going on. So I've got some signal playing down here, and what I want to do is route this through to the headphones in the live room. So the first step is to turn up the auxiliary sends on my main output from Logic, but this could be on any channel that we've got a mic plugged into. So I'm going to turn up aux 1 about halfway. This routes the signal up to my auxiliary 1 master. So if I want to hear what's getting to this destination, I can press the AFL button and I can turn up the aux master. So I know now the signal is getting from these 2 control pots up to my master. The next thing I need to do is to connect auxiliary 1 to my headphone output volume. And that's done using these routing buttons just here. I can choose to connect the main left-right mix or any of my auxiliaries. Well, I'm using auxiliary 1, so I'm going to press the aux 1 button. Again, I've got an AFL control just here. That lets me check the signal is getting to this point. So if I turn that on, turn the pot up, and there we go. So that's all my routing done in the control room, and that should now be going through to the headphones. Let's go and have a look. So I'm back in the live room. This is the headphone amp that we use. It's connected to the wall box, but it's coming from an output. The bottom 4 connectors here are outputs. The ones above are my inputs. So the output from the mixing desk in the control room is connecting into the back of the headphone amp. I've already set the signal up through there, so I need to just make sure the headphone amp is powered on. This is the master input volume. I'm going to turn that up, and there we have some signal going through, headphones connected, and my signal is coming out.